Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start by confirming your Google account is active on the device. This is essential because cloud saves need it. Open Clash of Clans, tap the Settings gear, and select the Account Link option. When prompted, choose Google Play Games and pick the account you want to use. Once done, accept the permissions. This lets your village sync. Make sure to keep the device online during the initial link to avoid partial saves or errors. Next, you'll authorize the connection. Grant Clash of Clans the requested Google permissions so it can access Play Game saves. You'll see a preview of the village linked to that account. Verify the name and level carefully before confirming, because wrong confirmations can overwrite progress. If the game shows a confirmation dialog, tap Confirm and wait for the sync success message. If an error appears, note any error code. This helps with troubleshooting or contacting. Finish by returning to Settings and checking that Cloud Save shows your linked Google account and a recent timestamp. This proves the sync completed. If you don't see your village, force close the game, reopen, and repeat the link steps. Sometimes Play Services needs a restart. If issues persist, sign out and back into Google Play, ensure Play Services is up to date, and verify Wi-Fi or mobile data. Key troubleshooting tip: record any error codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.